Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of G sharp harmonic minor. This is one of the more difficult scales, so I'm going to take it nice and slow in this video. We're going to start out by reviewing the notes of a G sharp harmonic minor scale. Do is G sharp, Re, A sharp, Me, B, Fa, C sharp, So, D sharp, La, E, T is F double sharp, and Do, G sharp. So in your music, if you have the music in front of you, you'll see a little X before this note. We always have to have the next letter in line, so we have E here, and then the next one has to be some sort of F, so F double sharp creates that augmented second we need in our harmonic minor scale. More about that in another video. What you need to remember is that there will be a big gap between your thumb and your second finger. So fingering for this is tricky. We're going to start with 3, and then we'll have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and end with 3. The left hand's going to start with 3, cross with 4, cross with 3, and cross with 4, and 3. A couple things to keep in mind when we're playing these formula pattern scales. The first thing is, are the hands playing in a parallel fashion or a contrary? Parallel, we would have the same notes at the same time, moving in the same direction, so up or down. So contrary motion, one hand's going up, one hand's going down. Lots of keeping track of the black keys for this one, and where your crossovers are. So if you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see the formula pattern there organized into segments of parallel or contrary motion. So our first segment is a parallel. The lines close together will be our parallel segments, and they are all going to be 1 octave. So we're going to go up, and you see that big diamond. That's our contrary, out and in. Another parallel, up, down, then contrary, out, in, and finally back down. So we're going to lock in all of that fingering and all of those direction changes using a series of short and long rhythms. It's going to feel like this. We're going to put 3 here and 3 here. So here we go. First segment is up and it's parallel. Cross with 4. Under 3. Right hand's going to continue on up. Left hand changes directions. Out. With 4, left hand. Cross with 4. Now left hand crosses with 3. Right hand turns around. Up. Cross with 4. Parallel now. And down. Parallel. Cross with 3. Under 4. Right hand turns around. Left hand keeps going out. Contrary. Contrary. Cross with 4, left hand. Now, right hand's going to keep coming down, parallel. Cross with 4. Now we'll do that straight without the dotted rhythms. Here we go. Up. So if you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see the only thing that changes when we change from 2 to 4 octaves is the length of the segment. So before in the 2 octave, we had 1 octave up, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down. Now we're going to start lower on the piano, still 1 octave apart with the hands. Each segment will be 2 octaves. Up, down, out, in, and down. Here we go. Our first segment is 2 octaves parallel up. Then contrary, out. And in. And up. And down. And out. And in. Down. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of G sharp harmonic minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.